This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook and grow a garden beanstalk. First, we'll cover the basics of the beanstalk garden, including how to plant and nurture your beanstalk. Then, we'll identify the unique ingredients it yields, such as giant beans and skyberries. Finally, I'll show you how to access and operate your in-game cooking station to transform these harvests into delicious and beneficial dishes. Get ready to elevate your garden's culinary potential. Harvesting your beanstalk's bounty is crucial for cooking. You'll find that giant beans mature in about 3 in-game days, while skyberries appear every 24 hours. To maximize your yield, ensure you tap each mature plant twice. Once collected, these raw ingredients, like the hardy bean pods or the sweet skyberry clusters, are ready for the next step, processing them into usable cooking components. This ensures you always have a fresh supply. Now, let's get cooking. Your in-game kitchen offers a variety of recipes, from simple bean stews requiring 3 giant beans to complex skyberry pies needing 5 skyberries and 2 sugar cubes. Access the cooking interface by clicking the pot icon. Drag and drop your prepared ingredients into the slots, then hit cook. Each dish provides unique benefits, like a temporary speed boost for 10 minutes or a 20% increase in gold drops. Experiment to find your favorites. To truly master beanstalk cooking, consider these advanced tips. Optimize your garden by planting beanstalks in a 3x3 grid for easier harvesting. Focus on recipes that offer long-lasting buffs, such as the Giant's Feast, which grants a 30-minute experience bonus. Don't forget to upgrade your cooking station. A Level 2 station can process ingredients twice as fast. Efficient management of your ingredients and strategic recipe selection will make you a culinary legend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.